Hi guys, in this video I will actually show you if you're paying a lot of subscription fees to Claude Code such as $200 per month. So I will simply tell you to stop paying that and try these alternatives which are similar to Claude Code. The very first website is Arena AI. So this website is really insane. It contains Claude, Opus, Claude Sonnet, all the premium AI models inside a single platform. Once you go to Arena AI, simply log in with your Google account. I've already done that. Then you see this interface right here. Directly click on code and you can even directly chat with any model, side by side comparison, agent mode, battle mode, everything is there. So you see this Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus, Gemini, Quen, Minimax. So you can select any of these models. After that, you simply type what sort of application you want to generate. So I simply write here, build a image to PDF web app in browser. So it works similar to Claude Code. It's an online version. It's free, unlimited. There is no restriction to it. So once you submit the prompt, as you see, the Claude Sonnet model will directly build out your application, the set of files. It's actually building a React project. Once it finishes, it will show you the application. You can even download the code by clicking the download source code button. The second website that I want to show you, this also is very fantastic website, Llama Coder. It's once you go to Google, simply type here Llama Coder AI. Now, once you do this, the very first website which comes, it's an AI code generator, free, unlimited. There is no restrictions to it. So once you go to this website, you again type the prompt, whatever application you want to generate. And then we also have this Meta AI. Meta AI is actually developed by Facebook. So you simply type, I have created so many applications using this. So once you go to this, you simply log in with your Google Facebook account. I have already done that. Then you simply tell what sort of application you want to develop. So I will say build a complex PDF editor in browser and write the code here so that I can copy to clipboard. So simply type the prompt and now it will build out your application directly. So it's actually will create. Once it finishes, it will show you the application. So as you can see, it's building out the application. The another thing that I want to show you is this black box. If you go to VS Code, simply search for this extension black box. I've already installed it. This offers a free and unlimited version of this black box. So once you activate this, directly go to this. It works similar to Claude Code. It can simply create commands, create applications. So let me start from scratch. So directly I will say build a complex image to PDF app, create a index2.html file and write all the code. So if you please create the file. So as you type this, you can see we are using the free version, which is more than enough. It doesn't ask you to actually fill out any detail. Without login, without sign up, simply install this extension and now the it will start to create the application for you. So one such application it has created, as you see. So now it will start writing the code for you. On the right hand side, as you can see that. So once it finishes, it will run your application. So it's really fast as well. It's similar to Claude Code. It can create files, it can generate. So you can see that it's creating the application automatically scrolling down and so these are some of the alternatives that you can use instead of paying $200 to Claude Code every month. This can significantly reduce your cost in paying AI models. It's also using Claude Code directly in the background, all the Claude Opus models. So you can see the speed of generating the code right here. It's actually generating a complex app, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So once it finishes, it will show you the actual application which has made. So I've created numerous applications. I didn't have to pay any single penny. So now it's generating the JavaScript code right here for the application after it written the HTML CSS code. So you can see that it's fully automated. It behaves like a coding agent directly inside your VS Code and terminal, and it behaves similar to Claude Code as you see that. And this is the extension that you must have. And I only use this extension in AI because a lot of extensions are there which you need to pay. For this extension, you don't need to pay. Simply install this, and now you can see it's generating out this fully featured application. And you can see the speed right here, how much code it has generated, and still it is generating. And I am also amazed by this. They are offering it free, unlimited. The websites that I showed you, Arena AI, Meta AI, Llama Coder, plus this extension will solve your problem. You don't need to pay $200 to Claude Code every month. So it's still generating, as you can see, almost 1400 lines of code it has generated. So once it finishes, it runs the application as well. So you can see that now it's created a complex app, image to PDF Studio. You can also manually run this application in browser as it's single HTML file. So you can see in Arena AI, it has built out the image to PDF app here. You can even click the download button to download the project files directly as a zip file. Same goes with Llama Coder as well. We've also created a lot of applications through Llama Coder as well. If you simply type Llama Coder, so in this way, guys, you can Meta AI, as you can see, it also created out a fully featured application. You click on the actual application it has created. This is your complex PDF editor. This is also free and unlimited Meta AI, as you can see. And from here, you choose your PDF file. All the controls are there. We have add text, highlighter, everything is there. So let me choose a PDF file. So once the PDF gets loaded, you can click on add text. You can see that you also have highlighter. You can highlight, change the color. So it's a complex app just made out in 2 minutes. You can navigate to second page, also do the modification, and then click on download PDF. And all your changes will be reflected back here. You can see that. So we built out a complex app using this Meta AI for 100% free. And you can download the source code by clicking out download source code, and everything will be downloaded. So it's a single HTML file. You can see that. So these are some of the alternatives to Claude Code. I am not saying that Claude Code is bad, but still it's cost a lot. So you can consider these free and unlimited alternatives to Claude Code, which behaves similar to this. So definitely check this out.